Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Patil, Senior Lecturer of IF Department from Pavan Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhinder. In fifth part of Internet of Things, we studied about IoT devices. In sixth part, we are going to see about IoT devices, its features, sensors and actuators. These are the learning outcomes of overall chapter: embedded system, architecture of embedded system, embedded processor, IoT definition and characteristics, IoT enabling technologies, IoT levels and deployment templates, IoT issues, challenges and applications, IoT devices and features. IoT sensors and actuators. Sensors. A sensor is an electronic instrument that is able to measure the physical quantity, generate a considerate output. These output of the sensors are usually in the form of electrical signals. Sensors are placed as such they can directly interact with the environment to sense the input energy with the help of sensing element. This sensed energy is converted into a more suitable form by a transduction element. There are various types of sensors such as temperature, pressure, speed sensors, but fundamentally there are two types of sensors that are analog and digital. The different types come under these two basic types. A digital sensor is incorporated with an analog to digital converter, while analog sensors does not have any analog to digital conversion or converter. Actuators. An actuator is a device that alters the physical quantity as it can cause a mechanical component to move after getting some input from the sensors. In other words, it receives control input generally in the form of electrical signals and generates a change in the physical system through productive force, heat, motion, etc. An actuator can be interpreted with an example of the stepper motor where an electrical pulse drives the each time a pulse given in the input accordingly motor rotates in a predefined amount. A stepper motor is suitable for the application where the position of the object has to be controlled precisely, for example robotic arm. Here are some types of sensor. First one is temperature sensor. These devices measure the amount of heat energy generated from an object or surrounding area. They find application in air conditions, refrigerators and similar devices used for environmental control. They are also used in manufacturing process, agriculture and health industry. Temperature sensors include thermocouples, thermistors, resistor temperature detectors, RTDs and integrated circuit that is ICs. Here are some pictures of temperature sensors, RTD, thermocouple, thermistor and semiconductor. Next is humidity sensor. The amount of water vapor in air or humidity can affect human comfort as well as many manufacturing processes in industries. So monitoring humidity level is important. Most commonly used unit for humidity measurement are relative humidity that is RH, dew or frost point that is DFPT and parts per million that is ppm. And here is a picture of humidity sensor. Next is motion sensor. Motion sensors are not only used for security purpose but also in automatic door controls, automatic parking systems, automated sinks, automated toilet flushers, hand dryers, energy management systems, etc. You use these sensors in the IoT and monitor them from your smartphone or a computer. HCSR501 Passive Infrared PIR sensor is a popular motion sensor for hobby projects. And here is the picture of motion sensor. Next is gas sensor. These sensors are used to detect toxic gases. The sensing technologies most commonly used are electrochemical, photoionization and semiconductor. With technical advancement and new specifications, there are a multitude of gas sensors available to help extend the wired and wireless connectivity deployed in IoT applications. In gas sensors, mostly used MQ6 sensor. Smoke sensor. Smoke detectors have been in use in homes and industries for quite a long time. With the advent of the IT, their application has become more convenient and user friendly. Furthermore, adding a wireless connection to smoke detectors enables additional features that increases safety and convenience. For smoke sensing devices, mostly use MQ9 device, and there is a difference between gas sensor and smoke sensor. Again, gas sensor senses a toxic gases and smoke sensors only senses the smoke which comes from fire. Pressure sensor. These sensors are used in IoT devices or system to monitor systems and devices that are driven by pressure signals. When the range is beyond the threshold level, the device alerts the user about the problems that should be fixed. For example, BMP180 is a popular digital pressure sensor for use in mobile phones, PDAs, GPS navigation devices, and outdoor equipments. Pressure sensors are also used in smart vehicles and aircrafts to determine force and altitude, respectively. In vehicle, tire pressure monitoring system is used to alert the driver when tire pressure is too low and could create unsafe driving conditions. Here is a picture of pressure sensor. Next is the image sensor. These sensors are found in digital cameras, medical imaging system, night vision equipment, imaging devices, radars, sonars, media house, and biometric systems. In the retail industry, these sensors are used to monitor customers visiting the store through IoT network. In offices and corporate buildings, they are used to monitor employees and various activities through IoT networks. In our college, each and every class contains a biometric device in which we have an image sensor. Next is accelerometer sensor. These sensors are used in smartphones, vehicles, aircraft, and other applications to detect orientation of an object, shake, tap, tilt, motion, positioning, shock, or vibration. Different types of accelerometers include Hall effect accelerometers, capacitive accelerometers, and piezoelectric accelerometers. In mobile phone or smartphone, we play games. For that purpose, we need accelerometer. Next is IR sensor. These sensors can measure the heat emitted by objects. They are used in various IT projects, including healthcare, to monitor blood flow and blood pressure. Smartphones to use as a remote control and other functions. Wearable devices to detect amount of light, thermometer to monitor temperature, and blind spot detection in vehicles. IR sensor means infrared sensors, and here is a picture of IR sensor. Next and last sensor is proximity sensor. These sensors detect the presence or absence of nearby objects without any physical contact. Different types of proximity sensors are inductive, capacitive, photoelectric, ultrasonic, and magnetic. These are mostly used in object counters, process monitoring, and control. Here are some pictures of proximity sensors: inductive, reed switch, capacitive, and IR proximity sensors. In next part, we are going to see about actuators. Thank you.